Collaboration is critical if we're going to succeed in building the next generation of nuclear energy in this country. Everything Kairos is doing at this site is possible because of partnerships. Today we launch a new effort we are calling the Nuclear Center for Advanced Manufacturing and Precast, or NuCAMP for short. NuCAMP member organizations will explore new research opportunities, educational pathways, and project needs, focus on manufacturing, construction, and workforce development around a common objective: making advanced nuclear faster and easier to build.
Developing new technologies and approaches is only part of the challenge. As we look at these advanced technologies, we've got to develop the technical basis, the data, and the confidence that's needed for a broader application in the nuclear industry.
Today's announcement highlights something fundamental of the future of nuclear energy in the United States. Deploying the next generation of nuclear technology requires investing in the nation's generation of American nuclear workforce.
For us to better do our jobs and meet those missions, we have to partner up. We maximize those partnerships when they're aligned with an area of existing strength that we have, an area of national need, and with partners that share those objectives and have the same need. And this is the perfect storm we have here.
But once again, Tennessee has won. The reason we keep winning in Tennessee is because of our local, state, and federal leaders, our academic institutions, our industries, and our vision. I wish Kairos the very best today and in the future. God bless you.